Hey folks, Tropical Storm Barry in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico giving us an interesting picture tonight. All the circulation, all the centers up in here, lowest pressure. You see all the clouds and all the rain off to the south and west. Scattered storms on the north side now. We do expect it to get a little better organized as it moves off to the west and eventually to the northwest. So we'll talk more about that in a second. Let's look at home today. We are picking up isolated showers, even thunder showers on the radar this afternoon. We'll go to the actual high resolution radar so you can see there was some stuff eastern Willacy County, part of Cameron County earlier, and now back to the northwest in parts of Starr County. We're seeing a couple of thunderstorms fire up around Falcon Lake in Zapata County. But over the valley, sea breeze right here trying to come to life. That stuff's firing up and dying. Nothing lasts very long. And that may be the trend that continues through the evening hours. Here's future tracks. Overnight tonight, spotty stuff in the west kind of fades away late. And then tomorrow, partly sunny skies, but there could be an afternoon shower thunderstorm once again. A lot of moisture in the area tomorrow. We've got like another day with the possibility of some scattered showers or storms. But I think after that, by tomorrow night, this chance fades away. I think Saturday and beyond, probably pretty dry across the area. So tomorrow, we bumped it up to 30%, but that back down to mainly dry for Saturday and Sunday. And mainly dry implies that there could be an isolated shower in one or two locations, but most places do stay dry over the weekend. Here's a look at the big picture again, showing all the storms. Pretty good rain up in the southeastern part of Texas right now, kind of out on the edge of this. Barry's at 27.8 and 89.3. Winds right now at 40 miles per hour, still moving to the west at about 5. See that forecast path continues in that direction. By tomorrow afternoon, winds up to 60 miles per hour. But notice that even through Saturday, doesn't quite take it up to hurricane force, up to 70 miles per hour, just shy of a hurricane. But Hurricane Center now has backed off just a little bit on the intensity forecast, which is probably the most difficult part of the forecast for this storm. Either way, it's a big rainmaker for folks in Louisiana, then northward from there. By Sunday, it's starting to fall apart, but still just remnant rain moving up through Memphis and then up toward the Ohio Valley by the time we get to early next week. Here are the warnings and watches in effect. Bottom line is a hurricane warning from Intercoastal City, Louisiana to Grand Isle, right in here. That whole area under a hurricane warning because hurricane conditions are possible there by the time we get to tomorrow. Here's the rainfall projection through Tuesday, and take a look right down this path in the middle, which includes New Orleans and Baton Rouge, 6 to 12 inches plus. Some places could see more than 20 inches of rain with this. Then it drops off as you go out. By the time you get back into southeast Texas, looking at 1 to 3 inches and then much lighter amounts. See the green beyond that. And once you go to the east, still though heavier rain because you're on the east side of that system. So bigger rain all the way over into Florida. By the time you get to the end of next week, look at that rain spills all the way up into Tennessee and Kentucky. So it's going to be a rainmaker for some time. Temperature-wise right now in the valley, we're 99 in McAllen. Here at Weslaco, we're 98. We did hit 100 here today. 101 in Edinburgh, 105 in Rio Grande City. In the east, mostly in the 90s. Overnight tonight, we bottom out in the upper 70s, except at the island, about 80 there. And then tomorrow, we're back up close to 100 degrees once again. A couple of showers around, a thunder shower could keep temperatures down just a notch tomorrow over what we were today. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather with the forecast for tonight, 78, partly cloudy with an isolated shower thunderstorm. Then tomorrow, again, spotty stuff around, mainly in the afternoon, 97 for a high. Again, about 30% chance for tomorrow. Then we go mainly dry for Saturday, Sunday. Temperatures both days of the weekend very near 100 degrees, and we stay in that vicinity all the way into next week. Plenty of sunshine, chance of rain goes away after the next couple of days. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.